Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cut split audio clips on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that you just need to go of course and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen we have the projects, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and we have the workspace. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, the settings and the new project. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cut split audio clips on Descript. So firstly, you have to go and create your project. You can do it by clicking on the top right corner, click new project, then video project. Now, launch Descript and open the project containing the audio you want to cut, and click on Show Timeline at the bottom of the left screen. Click on the timeline tool icon in the upper right corner of the timeline, then select Blade tool. Shortcut is the letter B. Move the blade to the point where you want to split the audio clip. Click to split the audio clip at the selected point. Repeat the process to split the audio into multiple clips as needed. And that is that. So it's pretty easy. As you can see, you can do it in just a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.